Hello, my friends. We have some brand new product to share with you today. And you know what? Let me just tell you, one of them is one I've wanted for a long time. And I just can't believe I didn't have it. One day I was looking for it and I'm like, where is it? And I didn't have it. And then I realized we never released it. So boom, now we have it. Another one is perfect for my CreativeDex lovers. And another one is the most beautiful, beautiful. It's Psalm 23 as a stamp. It's a background stamp. And let me just show you what it looks like all together. So this is the psalm that says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me, He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all of the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." Wow. Boom, right? Isn't that amazing? And look at how gorgeous it is as a background stamp. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Now, with background stamps, make sure you're using a secret weapon below you because you want to make sure you get that perfect image. But oh, so beautiful. And I have a couple more samples of that one to show you. The next one is the die set I've been waiting for because I went to use it one day on video on a live and I didn't have it because it had not been released. Oh, I was devastated. So now it's finally here. It is called the Inside Scalloped Rounded Squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, you're gonna love it. I needed it desperately. Last but not least is for our CreativeDex lovers, we have 2 different sizes of this CreativeDex with this fun little swish at the top with little pin dots at the top. Now let's jump in and look at all of the fun samples from the design team. Here we go. Here's this gorgeous one again, Psalm 23. So pretty. Oh, she added it up at the top instead. I love that. Just so pretty. I absolutely love it. And when I did this, oh, the spacing took forever. Let me just tell you. But I ended up making forever really, really big and the Lord up at the top really big. So they really stand out. Life is better when you pray. Isn't that awesome? Perfect, right? Next, let's look at those inside scallop squares. So those, and they're rounded. So these you are going to find yourself using a lot. Look how cute those are. This is our giraffe slimline. Imagine just using just the top part of him. Isn't that cute? I love that. I love that. And look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. This is using the Build a Mandala, and you can color it and make it kind of like a frame around it. Isn't that gorgeous? And then here you could even use it on a slim line. Look at that. Just kind of turn them each and every one, and isn't that pretty? I love it. Now, let's look at our fun CreativeDex ones. Here, now, oh, you're getting the mini and the large too, which is really fun. They're the same shape, but they're getting 2 different versions of it. So sending you love and January birthdays. So if you're doing your birthday ones, on the back, they have information from our stamp sets, which I just love. Ooh, here's a cute one, recipe. And then turn it over and we have our recipe and our cook time and our directions. Just like that. Here's a cute one, memory. So if you want to do something just about your memories, different fun things, love it. Our design team loves these. They go crazy. Here's another fun one with our cute little, that bird. You guys, every time I see that bird, I just smile. I love him. Here's one using part of the stamp set, the Psalm 23, just part of it, just has a nice background on the back. Here's one that just says, "Be blessed." Love it. And last but not least, I love this. This is our leprechaun turned into Uncle Sam. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So my friends, you know the deal. If you're a club member, you're getting 15 to 20% off the entire website every single day. It's amazing. If you are not in one of our clubs, you definitely need to check it out, thestampsoflife.com. We have 4 different clubs. We have our stamp club, our die hard club, our kit club, and our newest club, our Fold It, also known as Shaped Card Club. So many options. Some of you are in all of them. That means you're a Diamond Club member. Woo, woo. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.